Hello YouTube, Zachary Moss here. And today, instead of building animals, we're actually going to be repairing animals. These guys for starters. We have an owl ornament. Needs to glue this thing back on. A little dove. And a little red bird. You can use these techniques to repair Christmas decor, should any of them be broken. Since the hot glue gun is warmed up, let's get started. First, you just grab whatever broken piece you have. Make sure your hot glue gun is loaded. And then, just squeeze just a small amount. Like a little drop. Take the broken piece and just dig it back into place. And much better. Now you just set that off to cool off and or dry. Oops. Okay, now we fix the owl. Just grab the little piece with the hook and pour some hot glue. Maybe this will be better if we just squeeze along the sides right here. Okay, now that that has glue on it, we can just place this onto here. And perfect. Just gotta make sure it's actually in place. It's kind of like veterinarian work, except instead of live animals, you deal with toys or ornaments. Now for the dove. What you need to do is to just hot glue gun in the little area right here. Not too much. And then you take this, stick it back onto here. The best of your abilities. Just have to turn the hot glue gun off. Just wipe off whatever excessive glue you got, but just make sure it doesn't burn you. Take off whatever strings you got. And presto! Ready to go on the Christmas tree. Well, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.